How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to an episode of Like Me Easy. And today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at another gaming laptop. This one is by no means budget. If you guys haven't already, make sure to go check out my other PC videos, gaming laptop videos I've done. Then, yeah, make sure to come back and watch this one. But, yeah, today we're going to be looking at an MSI GL65 Leopard, and then a bunch of letters and numbers, 15.6-inch gaming laptop. MSI, great company, love them. And it seems here this is one of their this is not a budget laptop by no means, but this is up there, their more premium model. You definitely can buy a more expensive laptop, if that's the best thing I can say about it. But yeah, it's $1,400, so this is by no means cheap. I don't know if this is the lowest price for this. I'd have to check other retailers and maybe their website, but hey, you get free shipping. So, so MSI, just gonna go run through the specs. 15.6 inches. I'm not a big fan of 17-inch laptops in general. I think they're just too big. I think 15.6 is the sweet spot, and I think that's why they sell the most 15.6-inch laptops, and most of them are all 1080p for the most part. So we have 144 hertz. That's actually something I haven't seen on too many reviews I've done. That's a really good refresh rate, 3 milliseconds response time, I'm guessing. So that's awesome. You're going to be getting those really smooth movements across your screen. Everything's going to look like it's just sped up overall. If you haven't checked out higher refresh rate other than 60 hertz, I'd recommend it. I think I've seen it in person once or twice on a smartphone. Or no, I started an iPad actually with the higher refresh rate. It's so cool, and it's definitely worth it in my opinion. Is it worth $1,400? Yeah, I'd honestly say it is. 144 hertz is great, and that just makes your whole because you're interacting with your screen so much. I think having a higher refresh rate is worth it. Anything over 60 hertz just looks fantastic. So thin bezel, pretty obvious. Yeah, those are pretty thin bezels except for the bottom. Honestly, that doesn't matter though. They just stick their logo there. i7 10th gen, awesome. You're gonna have no issues with the processing power on this computer. RTX 2070, fantastic, really good GPU. You're gonna play everything like ultra settings with that. 16 gigabytes of RAM. Would have liked to seen something a little higher, maybe 32 for this price, but thank God it's not 8 gigs. I've had to complain about that several times in these overview videos. I'm just happy that's not on this one. 512 gigabyte NVMe SSD, great. Except there's one problem. 512 is pretty mid-tier for $1,400. To me, I mean, obviously you can upgrade most laptops, and most likely this one based on the thickness. But I would have liked to see a terabyte, 2 terabyte hard drive thrown in there just for the fun of it. 2 fans, 7 heat pipes, fantastic. Cooler boost 5. MSI is great at cooling, so no issues there. We have a LAN, HD, and this is great how they label all the ports here, so I don't have to sit here and like think about it for more than 1 second. HDMI mini display port, USB Type A 3.2, USB Type C, which is awesome, and then we have audio input and output. Now, I'm not a fan of the separate audio input and output. I wish it was just a combo jack, but that's just a minor complaint. SD card reader, fantastic for those who are filming on cameras. A couple more USB Type A's, and I think that's the power right there. And then we also have a Kensington lock on the left-hand side if you use that. High-res audio, fantastic. Also, I like how this isn't an overly gamery computer. You could rock this as a professional laptop. Rgb keyboard, fantastic. I'm not going to watch the video on it. Okay, so we have 2.6 to 5 gigahertz. How many cores does this have? Let's go see the product details. 1080p screen, that's fine. Maybe include a 1440p display at this price, but whatever, it's just minor. I love the GPU. Dedicated graphics card. 8 gigabytes of video RAM. That's a ton. No issues there. Plenty of USB ports. 9.28 pounds. That's very heavy, actually. It's a little over an inch thick. This is a big boy. This is not going to be overly thin and light. So do not expect that if you are going to take this around college campus and want something slim and light. 6-core processor, great. DDR4 RAM, that's to be expected. 512 gigabyte storage. I wish that was larger. No optical drive. Whatever, no one cares about that. But yeah, this thing gets great reviews overall. They're comparing it to these other ones here. That one has an RTX 2060. When you're in this price point, you should be expecting those extra bells and whistles on a laptop, and you should not see many sacrifices if you're paying over $1,000 for a computer. Because I always mention that after $1,000, you should be expecting top tier specs for a laptop, except if you're buying an Apple. If you guys want me to do a MacBook review, jeez, I'm not an Apple fan, or specifically Apple laptops and computers. I'm not a big fan of them, but if you guys want me to do a video on that, I can, and give you my honest opinions. But guys, this laptop's great. I don't have a lot to say about it. MSI, fantastic company. If you want to sponsor the channel, MSI, just reach out. I would love to promote your products. Also, I want a company to send me out a free laptop. That'd be sick to review, because these are not cheap to invest. It would be a good tax write-off, though. So yeah, I'll link this one down in the description for you guys to go check out. MSI GL65 Leopard gaming laptop. Got a 4.6 out of 5-star rating with 52 customer ratings. That's awesome. So most people love this, and gonna be a fantastic laptop if you want a game. I'll see you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out the College Made Easy podcast, link down below, and I'll see you guys in the next coming video from Life Made Easy.